Imagine stepping into a motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a rolling luxury lounge. Open, airy, practical, and designed for real-world touring. Today, we're taking a quick but detailed look at what might be one of Bürstner's best value-for-money layouts yet. The Bürstner B66 644 TD, featuring a rear lounge and a proper garage. This motorhome promises something many buyers are searching for right now: comfort without excess, luxury without unnecessary complexity, and a layout that genuinely works for couples or relaxed touring. But does it truly deliver? Or is it just another cleverly marketed floor plan? In this video, we'll walk you through the exterior design, explore the interior living space, break down the kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, talk about driving performance and technology, and finally give you a clear, honest list of pros and cons. So if you're considering a premium yet practical motorhome, or just love beautifully designed RVs, this one's worth your time. Let's dive in. Exterior design. At first glance, the Bürstner B66 644 TD carries that unmistakable European touring elegance. It's not overly aggressive, not flashy, but clean, confident, and very well proportioned. The body design focuses on aerodynamic efficiency, with smooth edges, integrated lighting, and a refined front profile that reduces wind resistance during long motorway drives. The paint finish and exterior panels feel solid and well assembled, exactly what you'd expect from Bürstner's reputation for build quality. One of the standout features here is the garage. This is a genuinely usable space, not an afterthought. It's wide, tall, and practical, perfect for bikes, outdoor furniture, or bulky touring gear. Access is easy, and the load area feels robust and well-finished. Storage compartments around the exterior are smartly placed and easy to reach, ideal for cables, hoses, and travel essentials. The awning integration is seamless, and overall road presence is calm but premium. This motorhome doesn't shout. It confidently arrives. Interior and living space step inside, and the first impression is all about space and light. The rear lounge layout completely changes the feel of this motorhome. Instead of walking straight into a bed or narrow seating area, you're welcomed into a true relaxation zone. Large windows surround the rear lounge, flooding the interior with natural light during the day and creating a cozy panoramic atmosphere in the evening. The seating is generous, supportive, and clearly designed for long evenings, whether you're entertaining guests or simply stretching out after a drive. Materials feel premium without being overdone. Upholstery is comfortable, durable, and stylish, while the cabinetry strikes a balance between modern design and practical storage. Bürstner has clearly focused on livability, not just looks. This is a motorhome where you can genuinely imagine spending weeks at a time. Reading, dining, relaxing, it all feels natural here. The open-plan feel enhances airflow and movement, making the interior feel larger than its actual dimensions. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Moving into the kitchen area, Bürstner continues its theme of smart practicality. The layout is efficient, with ample worktop space for real cooking, not just reheating meals. Storage drawers are deep and well organized, and everything feels securely fitted. Appliances are well chosen for touring life. You have reliable cooking facilities, a decent-sized fridge, and thoughtful lighting that makes the space functional both day and night. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a full evening meal, the kitchen doesn't feel restrictive. The sleeping arrangement is equally impressive. The bed offers excellent comfort, with quality mattresses and good ventilation. Headroom and accessibility are well considered, making it easy to get in and out without feeling cramped. The bathroom setup delivers exactly what you want in this class: A clean, modern design with a separate shower area, proper privacy, and a spa-like feel. Water pressure, lighting, and storage are all thoughtfully executed, turning everyday routines into comfortable experiences. Performance and driving experience. Under the hood, the Bürstner B66 644 TD is built on a trusted platform designed for long-distance touring. The engine provides smooth, confident power delivery, making motorway cruising relaxed and stress-free. Ride comfort is a highlight. Suspension tuning absorbs road imperfections well, even when fully loaded, and cabin noise remains impressively low. This is a motorhome designed to reduce driver fatigue, which makes a huge difference on extended journeys. Handling is predictable and stable, inspiring confidence whether you're navigating winding country roads or tight campsite entrances. Visibility from the driver's seat is excellent, supported by well-placed mirrors and smart ergonomics. Technology and smart features. Technology here is focused on usability rather than gimmicks. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, with clear instrumentation and easy access to essential controls. Infotainment options cover navigation, media, and connectivity, ensuring you're never disconnected from your route or entertainment. Climate controls are efficient and easy to manage, maintaining a comfortable interior in various weather conditions. Lighting systems, heating, and onboard controls are logically placed, making daily operations straightforward, even for first-time motorhome owners. Pros and cons. Let's talk honestly. Pros: the rear lounge layout is exceptional for relaxation and socializing. Build quality feels solid and premium. The garage is genuinely practical. Interior space feels larger than expected. Excellent balance between luxury and usability. Cons: not ideal for large families. Premium pricing compared to entry-level models. Rear lounge may not suit those who prefer fixed rear beds. So, is this the best value Bürstner yet? For the right buyer, absolutely. The Bürstner B66 644 TD isn't trying to be everything to everyone. Instead, it focuses on comfort, intelligent design, and real-world touring needs. And it succeeds brilliantly. If you value space, relaxation, and thoughtful engineering, this motorhome deserves a serious look. It's refined, practical, and built for people who love the journey as much as the destination. If you enjoyed this quick look, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth motorhome reviews, comparisons, and touring insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.